So you want to learn how to easily get Bing ad coupons for 2020 and beyond? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can take advantage of that. So you definitely want to stick with me all the way through this video so you don't miss anything. Now, my name is Rakeem Madison, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will give you the freedom you deserve. All right, so with that being said, we're gonna jump right into the content. So as you can see right now, I'm inside of my Bing Ads account, but what I'm about to do is I'm about to go over to Google and I'm gonna show you way number one, and then after that I'm gonna show you another way that you can actually go about getting Bing ad coupons. All right, so real quick, let's go over here to Google, and then what I'm going to type, and I want you to do this with me so you can kind of follow along in the process. So if I type in Bing Ads coupon, right, I'm going to type that in, all right, and then I'm going to click that, and then we're going to see what populates. All right, so there's a couple different sites that I want to point out to you that are legit, okay? All right, so let's go down here, and you see right here it says tools.seobook.com. So if I click on that, right, it's going to take me over to the site, and then you can see right here Microsoft Advertising, Bing Ads, and Google Ads, right? So if you want to get some Google ad coupons, you could actually come over here as well. So look, save over $100 in the next 5 minutes. So you can see it's listed by the country. So you have United States, Canada, the UK, Germany, France, Italy, right? You see all of these different countries. And then right to the right of them, you can see the amount that you can actually get. So if you're in the United States, you can get a $100 coupon. And in Canada, you can get a 50. In UK, same thing, 50 vouchers, 75, E75, E50. If you're in Australia, $50 coupon. New Zealand, $50. If you're in Mexico, it says, I'm assuming that's in their currency, it says $670 coupon. So I think that would actually be in the Mexican currency, all right? Now, you can see right here, if you click this, it says free Bing coupon today, okay? So before we actually go over to the next page, I want you to understand, you know, like the requirements. So when it comes to the Bing ad coupon, they're going to require you to spend at least $25. I want to let you know that right off the bat, okay? But here's the good thing, right? I want you to really do the math on this. So you're going to spend $25 and they're going to give you $100 worth of ads. So if you do the math, you profit $75 worth of advertising because you spent $25 and they're going to give you $100. Right? And technically, let me actually do the math again. You spend $25, they give you $100. So really, you're getting it for free. So technically, this is a free coupon that you can use to advertise your business. And it's really only costing you $25 of your own money. Okay? So hopefully that part right there makes sense. So if I click on free Bing coupon today, it's going to take me over to it may take me somewhere different because I'm actually logged in. Okay, so it didn't. All right, so you can see right here, it says you run your business, we'll help you find customers. And then here's the coupon right here. Microsoft Advertising can connect you with the millions of searchers not using Google. And then here's the details. Get $100 in search advertising when you spend $25 in ads. So think about that. You spend $25, they give you $100. That is one of the simplest things for you to do. So you can somehow muster up $25 and then, go spend that, just to get things rocking and rolling. Then boom, you're going to get a free $100 to advertise your business. That right there is powerful, right? So another thing you can do, and I remember when I was first getting started with Bing, I was just like typing in Bing ad coupon on Google, like I just showed you. And sometimes I could, you could find and it's really going to require you to do quite a bit of searching because you can find anything when you really want to. But you could actually find like promo codes out there, and then you could actually go inside of your Bing, your Bing ad account and put those promo codes in. But you got to do a lot of searching, especially nowadays That's why these ones right here, like if I were to click on any one of them, they're going to bring me back to that same page that I was just on, but it's going to be based on the country. So are you from Canada? So if I click, matter of fact, let's just use Mexico. So if I click on this, let's see where it actually takes me. So boom, you can see it's in the language, right? It's you know, showing me Spanish. So boom, all we got to do is read right here, put in our stuff, and then it's going to be based on where you click. So you see, Spanish is translating right now. So if I go back, right, you can see all you have to do is just click, choose where it is you are, and then go through the process of getting started. Now, of course, this is for, you can see it's taking you through the sign up process. So obviously this is for new accounts. So what I want to do real quick is, let me kind of scroll down just to let you see some other stuff. So you can see here it says Google AdWords. You can also get Google coupons as well. So if you're advertising on that, you know, I'll just give you a quick bonus, you know, so you could actually, you know, start using Google AdWords and actually, you know, advertising your business. All right, so now let's get into the second way. Let me actually get off this page real quick. All right, and then now let's go over here. All right, so this is Hostgator. This is a hosting service, right? So if you want to, you know, get some hosting and have, you know, a free domain for a year, you could actually use Hostgator. Now, I'm not an affiliate of Hostgator at all, but this is another way that you can actually get a $100 Bing Ads coupon. So let's say, for instance, you decide to get started for $2.75 per month, and then you can see what that gets you: a ton of website hosting options, free SSL certificate. If you're familiar with, you know, having an SSL certificate, basically what that does is, you see this little lock up here, that's going to make your website actually secure. Okay, and then easy WordPress installs and a free domain for a year. So you would get that, but you would also get like a cPanel back office, and inside of your cPanel back office, once you get access to everything, then in there you'll see like a section that says special offers, right? And then once you see the offer that, you know, once you see the thing that says special offers, you'll see the Google ad coupon, and you'll also see a Bing ad coupon, and it'll be for $100. Now with Hostgator, they're actually going to give you a promo code, right? And let me show you real quickly inside of my Bing ads account where you would actually put that promo code. So if I go here, well, no, I think it's under billing. Yeah, so if I go to billing and payments, all right, and then I go I'm gonna slide all the way to the right. All right, so I'm gonna go over here. Now you can see right here it says view promotional offers. So if I click on view promotional offers, you can see I already use my Bing ad coupon. You can see I got $100 off right there. There's my coupon code, and as you can see, it is expired. Okay, and then all you would have to do to use yours is you would put the promo code that you got over from Hostgator, the one that they gave you, and then you would just paste it in there. And then, of course, you would hit save. Now, there are some things that you should know in regards to that. So if I click on this question mark, you can see, I'm going to zoom in real quick so you can see this a lot clearer. You can see right here it says, we often run promotions that offer coupons to new customers so that they can try out Microsoft advertising. So you can see these are majority for newer people. Now for this, you can see it says what you need to know. To redeem a promotional code, you need to have a primary payment method on there, right? So if you don't have a payment method, then you won't be able to do it. The second thing is it can take up to 10 minutes after you add the coupon before the balance appears in your account, right? So it may take a little bit of time for it to appear, but if you have the code and it's a valid code, it will work. All right, and then right here, to keep your ads running after your coupon is depleted or expires, we'll charge your primary payment method. So what is that really saying? That's saying if you already have a balance, and this is for if you have a promotional code and you're already running your ads. If you have a balance, you won't be able to use the promotional code to actually pay off your balance. You'll have to pay off your balance using your primary card. That's why they said you'll need to have a primary payment method on board. after you've paid that balance, then you can start using your actual coupon. All right. And then here, once the coupon is redeemed, here's where we're going to talk a little bit about the expiration date. So you can see it says you must use the coupon within 90 days or by the expiration date, whichever comes first, right? So you don't have like a whole lifetime to be trying to use this Bing Ads coupon, all right? So that's something you definitely want to, be aware of. And then here you said you can only use the coupons for future advertising charges, not to pay for an existing. So I already covered that. You can't use it to pay off a balance that you already had. All right. All right. So those are the stipulations, and that's how you would go about, going through the process of using your promotional code. All right. So those are the ways that you can actually, get Bing ad coupons. And when you really look at it, it's really a free coupon, because even though you're going through, the process of spending $25, they're giving you $100. So really and truthfully, it's a free Bing ads coupon. All right. So with that being said, hopefully you got something from this video. And if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below letting me know if this was helpful or valuable. And if you want to learn how to master Bing ads, I left a course down below. I highly recommend that course. I went through the entire course, and I'm, continuously implementing the strategies in my Bing ads game. All right. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.